Hey guys, in today's video, we are talking about how you can use the law of attraction to improve your relationships. I'm Christina Kelly, here to help you create habits and routines that bring you joy in your best days. And today, I want to tell you about a conversation that I was recently having with a friend of mine, hoping that it might help you too. So I was talking with one of my girlfriends who unfortunately has been cheated on in the past. And right now she's talking to this really cute guy who she really likes, but she was telling me how she's kind of afraid that he's going to cheat on her too. And so when he goes out with his friend, she's always thinking in her head like, oh my gosh, I'm going to go out with my friends. Like, I'm going to see him with another girl and it freaks me out. And I was talking with her about it and I said, do you have a reason to not trust him? Has he done something? And she goes, no, he's an amazing guy, but because I've been cheated on in the past, it really scares me. And so, sometimes when he goes out with his friends, I get a little nervous. And I said, okay, well, I think that we can actually turn this around. And I want to explain to you guys how you can do this using the law of attraction. The law of attraction basically states that what you put out, you are going to get back. So here's an example of that. Let's say that there's this one girl that you know, and you just think she's so mean, right? She just drives you crazy. You're like, why does she have to be this way? And every time you see her, you go, oh my gosh, that girl is just so mean. Okay, well, because in your mind, you are framing her as a mean girl, so much of what she does is going to be perceived as mean. Let's say that she tells a joke that maybe your other friend thought was harmless, but in your head, she's a mean girl. That was mean, she's out to get me. Well, what's gonna happen is in return, she'll probably be able to sense your negative energy. Like you're just feeling upset about the whole thing. And as a result, because she's able to feel that you're upset with her, she might actually become mean to you. Are you kind of seeing how this is working, you guys? So what this really comes down to is a lot of the way that other people treat us, sometimes it's in more of our own control than we really think that it is, which is really powerful to understand. And now I kind of want to explain to you guys how this can work in terms of your relationships. So what I was telling my girlfriend is, okay, so you're really scared this guy's going to cheat on you. Obviously, you don't want to bring what's happened in your past relationships, which is so heartbreaking, into your new relationship with this really great guy that I'm really excited about for her. So what I suggested that she do is use her mind in a more positive way instead. So it's really easy to be like, scared about what's happened in your past. But what you can do instead is think about him giving you a kiss. Doesn't that make you feel better? And she goes, yeah, it does. And I was like, okay, so as a result, that's probably going to make him trust you more and want to come back to you more. And she was like, oh yeah, that does make sense. And I was like, right? I mean, hey, you guys, that is just the power of the law of attraction. And this is just one example of the many different ways that this can work in your life. And so I would love to talk more about this in later videos, but I hope that this one little tip really helped you out. And this one story, maybe it was something that you can relate to, maybe not, but regardless, you can use this perspective in any relationship in your life, with a boyfriend, with a girlfriend, with anyone who you really want to make sure it's a really positive experience for both of you guys. I would love to hear if this video resonated with you in the comments below. And also, I just want to say to you guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, because every single time that you do that, what you are doing is you are helping me to spread more joy in this world. And I cannot even tell you how much it means not only to me, but to all the lives you're positively affecting, because you are helping me to get this message out there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helped you out, and I will talk to you again soon.